Our connection with Awanuiarangi goes back probably a good 10 years now. Prior to that, we were holding wānanga from 1999. I get a bit emotional when I think about it, because if it hadn't been for Awanuiarangi and us holding the wānanga in their name, we wouldn't have a kitchen. We wouldn't have that beautiful kitchen. So I'm always eternally grateful for that.
Tēnei wānanga o mātai, kua roa e whakahaere hiana. Kua rua te kau mātahi tau ki ngā tāne, kua rua te kau tau ki te wahine. E whakahaere hiana I runga anō ki rā te muhore, I te pohara o nā ahuatanga o Kiniki I taua wāna. Pau ana pēr te kau tau, te ngāhuru tau, tahi mātau ka kite atura I te kaupapa o te Awanuiarangi. Te wharewananga o Awanuiarangi. Anei reira ka tīma te whakawhiti-whiti whakaro, te whakawhiti-whiti kōrero.
You're taught here what happens on the marae, what the tikanga, what the kahu is on the marae. It's history. This is the place you should learn about your ancestors, about your tikanga, about your mountains, about your rivers. You can't go and learn it elsewhere. It's got to be here.
They come back to the Marae every month. Every month we have a wānanga and they're here. It's brought the place back. Feels like home again, you know.
Inside the wānanga itself, learn so much just in terms of our tikanga, our mihi, our waiata, our karakia, and being able to be here and ask stupid questions, and it's okay.
Ki te atura mātau I te pai o te kaupapa e whakahaere hiana te wharewananga o Awanuiarangi. Ki te atu anō ki rā te nui o nā pitomata kei roto mō mātai. Mo te whakapakari ake I a mātau, mo te whakarangatira I a mātau ki ngā taonga tuku iho, te au uki. Ānā I reira ka ki te atu rā mātau te tahi huarahi e tai e mātau te ata whāngai ngā kōrero te ata waihanga I e tahi kōrero.
I've been here 20 years, I come every month. It's a passion, I suppose. It's a passion to carry on from my nan and granddad.
Today, 4 of my children can speak Maori, and I hope that some of the grandchildren will carry on speaking Maori.
There's just something so free and so nourishing about being in that space. But I guess the most important thing is the connection, so you learn to connect again.
Those that come here will get a better idea of what those roles are here. They might be a little bit different elsewhere. From taking what they've learned from here into their own life and using what they've learned here out there in the Māori world.
But the wānanga has been lovely, bringing different people back, all cousins from all over the place, you know. Kawerau, Napier, my son comes from Napier, Hamilton, all over the place. For all the years I've been here, I thoroughly enjoy coming down.
Yes, life is busy, but I'm at that age where I need to be doing this for my children. I need to be listening to our kaumātua and everything from how to, really how to manaaki, how to look after the whare, the property, the whare kai, how tikanga processes occur here that are different from other places.
Really proud of our marae. My thing is for people to return and uplift our marae, strengthen our marae and be able to carry it on and have the passion that we've had over the last 30 years.
Wherever we're at, it doesn't matter, they will support us. And I think that's what I love about the program book too. You can it's wide enough, it gives you enough scope to be where you're at but also push you a little bit. And so learning about your own karakia, your own waiata, your own stories of these beautiful taonga that we had, these amazing maunga around us and the awa, and learning all about that. There's no substitute. I can't get that anywhere else.